Yellow. This week we're going to be trying a black and white pour, and also going to be combining with a pour over an item, which will be a 2-liter bottle of pop. We're just cutting off the bottom. I'll show you how. Okay, so this week we have a smaller canvas. In the back we're just doing tacks because it's a little smaller one. And then we have our white and our black. Grabbed a trusty bottle of dew from the husband and cut off the bottom. So we're just going to use the bottom of that. You can certainly use any size. I couldn't find a 2-liter, so that's why I went with a 1-liter. Okay, so we've coated with a base coat so the paint will have an easier time flowing around. You can skip this step, but it won't be as easy for you when you pour your paint out. So we're going to take our soda bottom, just set it right on top, place wherever you feel. I'm going to start in the center and see how it goes. So I got a little bit of white and some black, so I'm just going to alternate them, and then we'll tilt it and see how it goes. I don't think we'll need too much because it's a smaller canvas. I think that's enough. I'm just going to save the rest for a different project. Let's shift this around a little. We're just going to pick a corner, go to that side until it flows off, and then we'll go back to the middle. Go this next corner, back to the middle, next corner. Back to center, and then the last corner. Then shift back to the middle. You can let it sit for a little bit and see how you like it. I think it's pretty even right now. If there's a certain spot you want to try, maybe adding a little bit more black or white, certainly go ahead. I think maybe I'll add a little white to this corner. sure it's all covered. Gloves will help you immensely. Just like to run my fingers around at least once before I walk away and then come back to it. And here you can see some small cells forming in the white and some here that mix together to form gray. Here it kind of looks like an octopus arm. Here too. I'm just gonna let it sit and come back in about a half hour. Okay, so it's been about a half hour. See how the cells have come in? I think I'm gonna work this corner with a straw, maybe some of the other white spots inward to see how that'll look. And then maybe this black area, see where it didn't quite cover the edge, blowing that over as well. So more towards this side, maybe this side. So a little more on this edge. You can just play around with it until you're happy with it. I'm not going to mess with it too much more. We'll come back to it in a few days. Okay, so it's been a couple days. I just want to make sure it was thoroughly dried before looking at it. So you can see I try to pull it into a central area in this area. I just use a popsicle stick and kind of brought it in after blowing it with the straw. So you can kind of see with the coconut oil hair serum, the cells that have formed, or like this area specifically. And this area is really cool, it's wispy. Turned out pretty cool. This black and white idea was one I had on my list that I wanted to try. You can see just with two colors what the effect can have. You don't need to go all crazy with your colors. You certainly can, but you don't need to. So let me know what you thought, and if you have any other color combination ideas you would like to see. I will be clear spraying this and then probably listing it on my website as well. So if you'd like to purchase, there's a link in the description. And other than that, I have a few other ideas lined up for the next 10 videos. And if you have anything else you'd like to see, let me know. Drop a comment. If you thought this video was helpful, please hit subscribe. I think it's the bell down over here. Maybe it's the right spot. I don't know. But hope you enjoyed it. And if you have any other comments, let me know. See you guys next week.